this video is in continuation to the earlier video that I had uploaded few days back, explaining the importance of, I didn't really explain the importance of using a good thumbnail, but in that earlier video, which you will see somewhere on the top of the screen, you will have a link to that video. You can take a look, in which I have shown you how to select a thumbnail with the auto AI generation process in YouTube. This is helpful in cases wherein your channel has been restricted from using the customized thumbnail upload option. YouTube keeps doing that. I mean, many of my channels get this kind of notification wherein that feature gets banned for about a month or so, or we have to re-verify the account, and those are the we cannot circumvent those policies. And what YouTube finds, they may find a small anomaly, and because of that they may tell you to re-verify. And let us say in cases wherein your account gets that kind of restriction, your account is still alive, but you are not able to upload a thumbnail. So you must not leave that thumbnail option pending at all. You should use the auto generation process, wherein it will give you thumbnail and you can select the best. It will give you 3 options, you can select the best. Now, if you are making a video, there is a trick over here. So maybe I will show you the video editing process, wherein let's say you're making a video which is 5 minutes long. In that 5 minutes, you have to break up the video in maybe 4 or 5 parts and insert your desired thumbnail in the form of a static image. And once you do that and you upload such a video onto YouTube, then YouTube's automated thumbnail process will most probably come up with that at least one option will show your thumbnail which you have inserted strategically inside the video. So but do not leave it pending. If you leave it pending, what happens is you are losing all the benefits of optimization. A good thumbnail makes it makes your video stand out. Number one, it is great for SEO. It's great for YouTube SEO and Google SEO, because a thumbnail is the snippet that shows up even on Google searches. So if you have made a thumbnail that conveys the message, and it is definitely going to increase your impressions, more views, more interaction. Whatever is your call to action that you have decided to send your viewer to will materialize. So that's the whole game over here. So do not leave, even if you are working with a restricted channel, do not leave the YouTube thumbnail selection process pending. And if you feel that you have made the video and within a few days you will get your account back into order, then do not publish such a video. Keep it in draft or unlisted version. And when your restriction is removed, you can upload your customized thumbnail and do that. So let me just show you once again. Let us say I just want to create a video to just show you what I'm talking about. So let us just go. Alright, so these are just some videos that it's just a random video. Okay, so it's nothing. Let me just select this video. Many people ask me whether it is my AI avatar who's doing these voiceovers. And let me clarify, this voiceover is mine and I'm recording this live in person. So okay, so this was just a video that was for some other channel of mine, but I'm just showing you for demonstration. So here is what we have. So if you have got this upload option, means your account is verified, you might as well just upload a thumbnail. There ends the matter. But if you do not have that option, you must not leave the second option unattended. So you click that auto generate, and in that auto generate, sometimes this takes a while because YouTube is still processing your video. So if your video is about 3, 4, 5 minutes, it will take that long. So what happens here, it is auto generating. It is auto generating. You will get 3 options. In the 3 options, you can select any one, whatever suits your. If you have done that trick in video editing, which I will show you in, there is a video pending that I have to do for explaining that part aspect of it, how to insert, which I will do very soon. So here 1, 2, 3, the option should come up. So as of now, it is not coming up. So we gotta wait. Why is it not coming up? You will see, because the checks are still going on. Let us say where it is reached. Let us say here. Okay, so everything is done. So let's just go back. I'm sure we can get to see it. Yeah, let's go to auto generate. Okay, so this is not yet generating, so this takes time. This is a problem, with YouTube. So what we should do in such a case, let us say, let us keep this video title in mind. We will come back to this video after some time. Okay, so it is already come. So now we have got 3 options. If you have made the video in the way that I had suggested earlier, insert your static thumbnails, breaking up your running video into parts and inserting it at various points, then at least one of these will be that thumbnail option. In this case, let us just take this one, and that's what it is. So we select that option and it gets selected, right? So this is going to be the thumbnail of this video. That's fine. So now, from the purpose of this demonstration and for the purpose of uploading this video, I would like to state that do not leave the thumbnail option pending. If you have got a custom thumbnail option, just go ahead and upload it. And if you do not have that option, then do not leave it pending. Auto generation has to be selected.